So today in this video we will work with some simple MySQL query commands. So let's start MySQL. Let's display the databases, list of databases. We can use the car management database. Use car management and I can display the tables. The tables are already populated with some records. So let's display those records. Select star from table name car master. Will display all the records from the table car master. So if you look at this table, we see that there are three fields or three attributes or three columns. So the degree of this table is 3 at this point of time. And if we count the total number of records, we would see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 records are there in this car master file, which is a master file which does not change very often. And the number of rows or number of records or number of tuples or the cardinality of this table is 8. So 3, 3, 6, 7, 8. I can add a few more records, so at that time the cardinality of this table will change, and I can also add a new column, and that time the degree of the table will change. So let's display the other table. It is rental, so select star from rental. So here is the rental table. I can display the structure of the table by giving the command describe, but before displaying I can assume that this company and model, these are all varchar, and read per hour is integer type. Here these are all probably integers, first two, and this is a varchar. But let's check it. Describe car master. So as usual you can see company is varchar, model is varchar, and read per hour is integer. And if we give describe rental, so first two are integers and company name is varchar. So now from this particular table, the first table, if you want to do some query, for example, you can see that there are so many company names: Audi, BMW, Cadillac, and if I want to display all the records that belongs to some specific company, say I want to display all the records of Audi, BMW, and Lexus, so I can give this command like this: select star from car master, where company in, now very specific company names I'm telling: Audi, BMW, and Lexus. I'll be writing Audi, BMW, and Lexus. If I want to display all the records other than these three, I will simply write not in, so it will display the remaining records except these three records. So if I look at this table car master, we'll see that many records are actually starting with 2019. At least there are 5 records starting. So if I want to display all the model names starting with 2019, I can give the command like this: select star from car master, where model like 2019 percentage, because it is starting with 2019 and something else is also there. So we can write down like this. The wildcard percentage is used here. You can see that all the models 2019 are displayed separately. Suppose out of this, all the models that is starting with 20 and 9, if I want to display only those records where the rate per hour is more than 90, more than equal to 90, then I'll write down like this. Select start from car master where model like 20919 percentage and rate per hour is greater than equal to 90. So it will display only two records as we know. So like this we can keep on doing the query. So if I want to display all the records in ascending order of rate per hour, so I can write down select star from car master, select star from car master, order by rate per hour. So you can see that it is displayed in ascending order of rate per hour. If I want to display it in descending order, we can write down DESC. Now, if I want to display the first four records, I can write down select star from car master. I can write down limit 4. If I want to display the first four records only, you can see that these are the records of the car master. If I write down select start from car master, these are the all the records. So first four records are displayed when I write limit 4. So let's see the table rental ones. Now we have here some records. Suppose we want to find that what is the total number of hours the cars were actually rented till now. Okay, so we can do an aggregate function. Select sum of hours from rental. It will display the total number of hours in which all these cars were rented. If I want to do this query only for the specific car of the company Volvo, then I can write select sum of hours from rental where company name is or company equals to Volvo. This is spelling mistake. COMPA company equals to Volvo. So you can see that the total hours in which the two cars of Volvo were rented is 140 hours. So let us do some more query. Let us do the inner join from these two tables. So we can write down select star from car master inner join rental on the foreign key is company on car master dot company equals to rental dot company. If you see the describe command as shown before, we'll see that describe, can you see that company is there? Here the multiple relationship is there and company is there in the car master table also, which is a primary key, and here it is a foreign key. So that's why we have written this command car master dot company equals to rental dot company, and it is displaying only those records or rows which is common to both the table. Instead of inner join, if I write left join, it will display all the table of the left, all the rows of the left table, car master in this case, and all the rows of the right table will be displayed matching Matching rows will have entries and the remaining will have null entry. We can see that there are certain things null. For example, this Lexus, it is not rented till now. If I see the rental table, the Lexus model is not rented. Similarly, some other model, this Telsa model is also not rented. So that's why all these things are having null entry. So we have seen in this particular video that how we can actually use various various commands, mm, and we can do some queries. And most of the queries that we have done here right now is actually data manipulation language query. Okay, we have not changed the structure of the database or a table, but we can definitely do it by writing some command that changes the structure of the table. For example, when we give this command car master table, so if I want to add one more column out here, suppose I want to add a remarks column, so I can write down alter table car master add column remarks, give a character type. Okay, alter table name, add column name, type. Now if I give select star, it will show me that all remarks are actually showing in null. Now suppose here if I write down that this model tells suppose if I want to write a comment, okay, suppose price likely to increase. So suppose if I want to put this comment, so I can write down update car master set comment set remarks equals to price hike likely where company, we can use this clause where company equals to Wilson. So if I write the select command, then I will see that this particular remark is updated. Now if I want to drop this column remarks, we can give this command alter table car master drop remarks. So drop column name. So if we see the select star from car master, we'll see that the column name is not there. So here in this particular video, we have seen some very simple commands in MySQL, but these are important commands, and we can try all these commands by creating this particular database and the two tables, the car master table and the rental table. These are the two tables. So first we have to create this table, and this is the structure of the table. We have to give the command describe. So this is the describe car master, and this is the describe rental. So if we look at this structure, we'll be able to create the table, and then after creating the table, we can add the records in these two tables, and then we can try all the commands that is shown in this video. So I hope you will try all the commands. So see you in the next video.